Our food should make us feel and perform at our best, but with the ease and appeal of fast food and sugary snacks, our relationship with nutrition is broken. Well, we are Vite, and we want you to join us on our mission to change that. We make plant-based health products that make you feel great, and since 2018, we've been driving innovation in the rapidly growing $750 billion health and wellness food market. Through what we believe to be first-in-class products, we're aiming to make true functional nutrition as enjoyable and available as a chocolate bar or a soft drink. Starting with our nootropic supplement, Vite Brain, we've made incredible progress since our launch. We currently have 9 products across 3 product lines, covering brain and body health, and ranging from supplement capsules to drink mixes, and now what we believe to be our first-in-class snack bars. Transitioning from our development stage to our rapid growth stage, in recent months we've listed in-store and online with Holland & Barrett's. We've been stocked by the UK's 2 largest health food distributors and generated over £500,000 in revenue last financial year. That's over 3.5 times the previous year. We've shipped directly to over 9,000 paying customers, and despite our rapid growth, over 30% of our website custom is coming from repeat buyers. Our first 2 product lines have already amassed hundreds of 5-star reviews. So what exactly are they? Our first line, Vite Brain, is our brain health and mental performance line, utilising nootropics and omegas. A nootropic is an ingredient proven to enhance mental performance, and nootropics have been gaining real traction over the past few years, growing at a 12.5% compounded annual growth rate, with the market forecast to top $4.5 billion by 2025. Vite Body, our second line, is a collection of gut health products utilising prebiotics, digestive enzymes and probiotic live cultures. Our Vite Body products aim to give your gut everything it needs to thrive. A recent multinational study found over 40% of participants to have a GI disorder, and it shows. The probiotic sector of this market alone is forecasted to grow to $94.5 billion by 2027. As a business, we are supported by our amazing advisors who are also cash investors in our company, Lindsay Pownall OBE and Stephen Joseph. Lindsay has substantial experience in food, grocery and retail brand development, earned through a career of more than 20 years at Samworth Brothers, including 5 years as the food giant CEO. Lindsay currently serves as non-executive director of Tesco plc and senior advisor to Payne Schwartz Partners. Stephen has an equally decorated career in food and brand management, serving as executive chairman of the UK's largest private label sugar confectionery manufacturer, Tangerine Confectionery. The most exciting part? We're just getting started. With conversations ongoing with the major UK retailers, we're raising today to accelerate our retail outlet expansion, to drive brand awareness and of course in-store sales. We would love you to join us as we work to develop and continue our rapid growth phase. We're inviting you to join our amazing community and own your own share in the future of Vite.